Dear student, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts based on modern healthcare. I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant update of a new informative video. Also, you can visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more on the concept. We share in our videos. We can support you in advertising your healthcare products. We can promote your healthcare event. We can provide technical reviews for your medical devices and many online support to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get support from us, please contact us in the given mail ID. Now, we are going to learn about mechanical ventilator. A ventilator is a machine that helps you breathe when you are sick, injured, or sedated for an operation. It pumps oxygen-rich air into your lungs. It also helps you breathe out carbon dioxide, a harmful waste gas your body needs to get rid of. Mechanical ventilation is a ventilation of the lungs by an artificial means, usually by a ventilator. A ventilator delivers gas to the lung with either negative or positive pressure. Now, let's learn about respiratory system of human body. The respiratory tract conveys air from the mouth and nose to the lungs, where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the alveoli and the capillaries. Human respiratory system. The system in human that takes up oxygen and expels carbon dioxide. When you inhale, breathe in, air enters your lungs and oxygen from the air moves from your lungs to your blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from your blood to the lungs and is exhaled, breathed out. This process is called gas exchange and is essential to life. Let's see who needs a ventilator. People require ventilation if they are experiencing respiratory failure. When this occurs, a patient cannot get enough oxygen and may not be able to expel carbon dioxide very well either. It can be a life-threatening condition. There are many injuries and conditions that can cause respiratory failure, including head injury, stroke, lung disease, spinal cord injury, polio, sudden cardiac arrest, neonatal respiratory distress syndrome, acute respiratory distress syndrome (ARDS), pneumonia, species. Some people with COVID-19 have severe difficulty breathing or develop ARDS. In addition, doctors also use ventilator for a people who undergo surgery and will not be able to breathe on their own due to anesthesia. Now let's see about type of ventilators. There are two types of ventilator: negative pressure ventilator, positive pressure ventilator. A negative pressure ventilator is a type of mechanical ventilator that stimulates an ill person breathing by periodically applying negative air pressure to their body to expand and contract the chest cavity. An iron lung, also known as tank ventilator or ringer tank, is a type of negative pressure ventilator, a mechanical respirator which encloses most of a person's body and varies the air pressure in the enclosed space to stimulate breathing. The iron lung are still occasionally used today. Intermittent short-term negative pressure ventilation is sometimes used in patients with a chronic disease. But now our focus will be on the positive pressure ventilator. Positive pressure ventilation can be delivered in two forms. Number 1, non-invasive positive pressure ventilation, NIPPV. Number 2, invasive positive pressure ventilation. Now let's see non-invasive positive pressure ventilator, which is delivered through a special face mask with a tie shield. Air travels through the anatomical airways can be used in acute hypercapnic respiratory failure so long as the patient condition is a responsive therapy. Face mask ventilator. A face mask ventilator is a non-invasive method of supporting a patient's breathing and oxygen levels. To use, one person wears a mask that fits over the nose and mouth while air blows into their airway and lungs. Now let's see invasive positive pressure ventilation, which involves the delivery of the positive pressure to the lungs through an endotracheal tube or tracheostomy. Endotracheal intubation. It is procedure of passing of an endotracheal tube into trachea through the nose or mouth. Tracheostomy. A tracheostomy is a procedure where a doctor creates an opening in the windpipe and inserts a tube which allows air to flow in and out. This enables a patient to breathe without using their nose or mouth. People who have undergone tracheostomies can also receive ventilator support through this opening. Instead of inserting a ventilator through the mouth, doctors insert it directly into windpipe. And that's all about basic knowledge of mechanical ventilator. So, if you feel like this video informative, please subscribe our YouTube channel, share our channel to your friends and colleagues, and like our YouTube videos. You can also follow us in any of the social media platforms, and links are given in the description below. Thank you for watching.